Hi guys, welcome to another interactive and fun video on your BigVue panel. Today we're going to talk about the shortcuts. Did you know your interactive panel has 7 shortcuts to make your life easier? For example, you open the whiteboard and you want to go back to your home screen. You simply click here and click the first button and you're onto your home screen. Now, the second button pretty much does the same job. You're on any other app, you click on the home button and it pops back onto the home screen. The third one, you simply click on it, and if you have multiple apps open, you can very easily click onto any of them and go directly. In case you would like to clear it, you can also simply start removing it. You can also easily remove any of them, just how your phone works. The next option on the shortcuts is this. This allows you to see all your hotspots, your shortcuts, your touchscreen, vision care, echo, lock, listen alone, the volume, brightness, all of them together onto one pop screen. This quick access panel allows you to quickly check onto any of your apps, your system settings, your volume, brightness, vision care, touch sensing, and so much more. You can also simply connect to any Wi-Fi, hotspot, or Bluetooth with this quick panel. Then next we have the pen option. If you want to annotate on any of the apps, you can simply circle it using the pen option. You can also change the color if you like, or the thickness, or the thinness. You can also erase it very easily. You can also write anything using this panel. The sixth option allows you to connect any external device onto your BigVue panel. You have the OPS option, you have the HDMI options, touch sound, and so many more options to choose from. The seventh, but the last option in your shortcuts is the general system settings. You can choose the networks, the general settings, the devices to choose from, channel, and of course the system settings. That's all for the shortcuts on your BigVue panel. Thank you. Stay tuned.